In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to create 3D NFT collections similar to like this in this video. So before I even show you guys here the platform to make these 3D NFT collections, if you guys aren't into creating art, 3D art and all that stuff, there's actually a very simple way that you guys can create these 3D NFT collections, and that is going to this site called Sketchfab. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description below, okay? So this site is awesome because they have 3D model collections. As you guys can see right here, these are really well made. You can even go right here to the search bar, search them right over here. I mean, you look at this right here, everything is like super in detail, and instead of making yourself from scratch, you can literally go over here, search something that you like, and you can buy them right over here. Obviously, these are not NFTs that you're buying. These are literally just files of the 3D art that somebody else made, and they're selling it on here. So basically, you buy them off of here, and then you create your own NFT collection. This is great for people that aren't too good at making art, especially on digital, or don't want to pay too much for somebody to make them a collection. You can just go right here and check these out right off the bat. Now, if you guys want to spend a lot of time creating original NFT art, as you guys can see, like this one right here, a lot of people are making these NFT art, especially 3D ones, and making a lot of money minting them on NFT marketplaces. Now, obviously, this one and this one are very original. Pretty sure the artist actually made these with a lot of thought and a lot of time, so it takes a lot of patience. And really, the best platform that I found to make these 3D NFT arts for free is this one right here, Blender. I'm sure you guys have heard of it, but this platform, number one, it's free, and number two, the amazing art that you can create on here is just amazing. You can go right here to modeling. You can see some of the arts that people can create on here, sculpting. Now, obviously, this has a little bit of a learning curve. As you guys can see, it's kind of like Photoshop, but it's 3D art, right? You can also create 2D art on this, but the main thing about it is 3D art. And you just go right here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. You download it for free. If you guys already are good with Photoshop or Illustrator, this will probably be a lot simpler to you. But if you guys are just getting started into the space, okay, the one channel that I recommend you guys to go and watch, I'm gonna leave the link to in the description below, is this guy. This guy's name is Blender Guru. Okay, it's literally in his name, and he has probably the best tutorials out there for specifically this software, Blender. Okay, he tells you exactly step by step how to create, how to use the layers, right? Layers is super important in making NFTs because there's different backgrounds, there's different features to NFTs. So I recommend you guys go to this guy's channel, watch some of his videos, his tutorials, just very basic step-by-step beginner friendly videos on how to use this awesome platform called Blender, where you guys can create this from scratch for free. You just need a decent computer, obviously, and you guys can create awesome NFTs that look like this, right, from scratch. And again, anything that takes a lot of time and a lot of patience, okay, is going to be very rewarding in the long run. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you can create 3D NFTs. Blender is the number one place, in my opinion, that is free that you guys can do this, but it takes a lot of time. Or like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys want to go straight to it, you guys can go to Sketchfab and buy some of these 3D collections, 3D arts that are still super good. And again, if you want to get deeper into Blender, knowing exactly how to do it step by step in the tutorials, watch this guy, Blender Guru. He is the best at making Blender tutorials. So that's basically how you guys do it. What I recommend. If it helped you guys out, leave a like, subscribe, comment what you guys think, and thank you guys again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.